Alright, here's these two Rheem heat pumps that I've filmed a couple of times running in cool mode. This one's the one from 1999, it's a 3.5 ton. That's working pretty good. Here's this one over here. I think this one's from 98. Yeah, 98, 3.5 ton. This one's working significantly better, it's sweating. I was hoping to catch a startup, but guess not. Figured I'd get these running real quick, so yeah. Looks like this one has one of those commercial multi-purpose capacitors or whatever. So yep. Thanks for watching.